Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are trying to move your GE refrigerator for cleaning, checking the wall connection, or simply repositioning it in the kitchen, you may notice the appliance feels much harder to move than expected. Sometimes the refrigerator seems completely stuck, while other times it shifts only slightly and refuses to roll forward. Since many GE refrigerator models include leveling feet or wheel lock systems to keep everything stable, unlocking the wheels correctly can make the process much smoother and safer. The good part is that once you know where to check, moving the refrigerator usually becomes much easier than people expect. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to unlock wheels on a GE refrigerator. Try these. Step 1. Test movement on the GE refrigerator and check if the wheels feel locked. Step 2. Look underneath the GE refrigerator for leveling feet or wheel supports. Step 3. Adjust the front bottom area of the GE refrigerator if movement feels restricted. Step 4. Pull the GE refrigerator forward gently after unlocking the support area. Step 5. Keep the cord behind the GE refrigerator clear while moving it safely. Step 6. Reposition the GE refrigerator and confirm the wheels roll smoothly again.